Okay, additional mama church will be a Bamilo TV because if you don't so say and they can no subscribe to Milo TV. We are no like no comment na fi wash by way of introduction me the Prince Kojote we are Toronto, Canada and mewo Barry Bim, Barry Boom, Barry Bem. Yeah, about your people story be a person on here share obit me reach out to me 416-909-1100. Story na make canon or experience or start with Jenny from fine. UPM wo hen ana abedu Canada. Obedu Canada net saying one adwumasem enkratasem, you know, those days ana ochro letter na dia koma obusuafo Ghana. Those days ana otna computer oye cassette. Some of the money me some of the, you know, satam oye cassette was send aba na wo boati na nyezio yak abrafuna sesa ni mompa Milo TV people Toronto, Canada. Obusuafo na yetenase. Na enye funny. We are here to break this news to you guys. The ni nyina ne se ho. Me ni Mr. Bruce ebetenase. I think say be years back 2 years ago. Na ye video so bi na nipa bi nte ase. Obeye video na nipa bi abe counter say oh asem mo kai no kra no kra bi anyeden enhye de nim. Eye normal so bi be kasa. But I'm just trying to let you know say abroche ne wo no. Deportation will never end. Nti hutoa hihye onema yi. Ena me be kire kwan ya brante bi afaso a enei wonya deportation letter omde na ebekọ Ghana from Canada. Subscribe say now first time we are like no comment na fi wa share. Me ba cho pi de o hia eni we what we call pure rain. Aftershave mu tatahwe. We uti a o de bom o de asawo bom na de, you know. Kama pa kona kopa odie na bebo pa. Now abia for any community ye hyase yi wasum na fifi oneti ba obehwa nipa bi efri Ghana eba Canada ebra wo ba Canada wan kan kire Canada ban so obedu a obesiki asylum obedu ye na osiki asylum. Of course enye Ghana for nko anso na nya this opportunity o me ka through time no Ghana for by ye ka Africa, Kenya, Afe, Nigeria, Benin, Togo, Ivory Coast, Cameroon, like Burkina Faso. So many people had the opportunity to come to Canada. And none of them and voice it out to the Canadian government say ye be dua, ye be seeking asylum. And to be do ye no, and women in bo seeking asylum. Et ye ma shelters and what downtown, ye ma, ye be moved to the street him. And my nipa bi started say oh na when am Canada sem when a millionaire Bruce Muba Eric Mu no, you know, it wasn't like that. Now between like from that time no 3 years ago no na ebe na nimu kakra Canada ba international enhye se da bi nipa na doso enti odi bi be ko hotel e me bi mu akoda hotel which was Wyndham Hotel I wo Niagara Falls area hono. Now out of nipa na omokoda this hotel no Canada ban e de mrabi eto wo mo so sanse kredue mu ye the rules and regulations and etia one emra na ebi nie ye wo specific time wa e wose oba hotel ho ye hotel o a complete hotel aw ye fidi wa no pa awie nwumre wo san we snack boso me bia nso aban ebre osika kakra fa she okotoku. Okay, now I'm breaking it down. Enti o say anwumre bi abaye 10 p.m. no bia e wo inside no matumi unlock main door. Afei enye aduane wo ho no emfa oba ema inside and the debut and smoky e wo ho, you know, rules and regulations. Now it was so simple and I had one of these guys to interview on this channel and okani nyina no o say bebo be 11 krana omone ma tetare baabi wo ho abo say obi isu rice cooker bi de ye nkwan ni stew bi na alarm na blow na ya fre hui yes what they say fire no more be do like a whole lot na course wo ho no nipa asebi so oye asylum seeker asebi onye adwuma oni sika no otimi afa means bi akwaji car parking lot wo oboko na ho nyina ayema chese enye easy o enti yen ankasa du ba bia we should accept say yen kasa ne ye de ho ko anasa yen na ye abuse system no ene ma abrofo no ehu. Oh yes, asema making say wo da shelter hobia, go to the comment section and testify. Rules and regulations omode koye no amanfo breaking ni nyina ebi mo akwaji ebi mo work permit no mo de pay adwuma ye ebi mo kwagigigi cars, which to me any problem so obeji car, but it has to be like at the right time, you know. Enti ya ye ama abrofo no omo hu say ye yankasa no du ba bi a ye duebo ana omo se da bi nipa bi kura be wura system no mu a omo koye obi ene obi kura koda ya nipa ne ya nda age a wo free London e ko Spain a osan be wura Canada ene opposition for no sorry say da bi a wo so omo huhu system no so ena je ko aje bow opposition no sorry omo ko House of Commons a de bia na me monitor pa opposition no sorry tia bill C12, but lo and behold kakra sa bill C12 came to existence anya royal assent. The no nechi no enema pi ene ekoso. Letters has been served. Oh yes, the padodo na nyomo letters. Now mami ka se mencho asemu ye koma omo de international student route ne ba Canada no pachoti what the letter ne ba Canada, sorry, what the visa ne ba Canada so obeko school, which e be a man 2 or 3 years. Of course obedu system ne mu no Canada ban se da bi se meka se wawofo enko amfa wo ho ka ebe dose too much nti ye be chem na mama week bia no ye adwuma as a student ye adwuma bia 24 hours per week. Masa, how many students and a year adwuma per week? Like a year adwuma 24 hours per week. The do na mo ye more than that. Okay? Nti no e ho no e red flag what violate emra na Canada by them. Of course oni wasensan bibia o refi aya no mo sensan bibi mekai sa word me be ba betu ani akoy say MOU no oye bibia wi a na wasan say wo kwadwote wi a emra na ase asema Canada ban e ka no wagini nyina atu, but awese no violate. 2 school na wo ba ye se wo be ko school no so no school so anya dan wan ko school no nti 2 no aban na nyam tiu wo ba se wo be ko school and wo say na wo twi bia no obema few hours bia obetimi de ye adwuma na wo de twitwa wo ho wantie ye na ma sabe so yeti system mu ye adwuma ye make be 40 hours no wo wutimi ye kra eye agintumu aka ho nti ye no ho no wo violate. Anu na chi no tini ye bawo school na wo ba ye se wo be ko school so anya dan wanko nti wo ma ban na hu se aje tini ye wo ma ban na hu se wo ma ko school na mum wo be ye adwuma. Okay, nti o ma sha se o mo twetwe letters come nipa bi no say because of this, because of that. Mumra na mecheche mu oba ye wo so be ko York University wo start ya yenim DLI no abetire, you know, and unim abrafo no mo smart o mo ye smart o mo hu de ekoso wo system no mu nyina nti o ma sha se a o mo ehuhu system no so abusiafo ye wo yenu ba ko bi wo ha wo no immigration sem no woni mu yie pa a ne wadosko a wo church ensem mu efa student route no letters a ye twro o mo mu issue study permit no enti mum yankoni details ensem a o kan ni.
Okay, so RCC has issued out a new directive concerning student compliances of the study permit. We a student, I will buy Canada, I will buy Wanko school. No, they're going to send you out a letter for you to prove from your DLI, say, I will buy Woko school, or letter I bet you what transcript, I bet you say, I will buy Woko school. When to me, I'm provided, actually, they're going to give you about 21 days for you to respond to this letter. And within this letter, and if you're not able to provide it, that means they can deactivate your visa right out from the system and send you parking. So this was what I did a video somewhere back last year, 2025 in September, saying that the fact that they're going to roll out that system, and also for those international students working with their study permit, I did say that it was not a full-time working permit. But for some reason, people did not, seek refugee or any other immigration processes whatsoever to maintain the conditions of the study permit or to have a different immigration process, but rather they overlooked it and still work with it, and now they are giving out those compliances out so that you'll be able to do what exhibit say be a school, one school, and they will know all this kind of information that they want from you. Then afterwards they'll be able to make up decisions concerning your visas. And this is where it gets so much worse, because in a sense that you could be working or you could be walking around and your visa has been deactivated, which is very, very important, because when we did rule and I say we were other immigration pathways that you could be able to fight for your case one way or the other. But here's the point: you are a person who by one school will study permit and Jumasa giving you the opportunity not to be able to do what? Move to other immigration programs. So now when your visa is deactivated, you may not be able to do what? To process for other immigration program, which is so critical. So if you get the letter, you have to respond to it, or better still, know what to do as it is right now. And that's it.
Okay, I was for say wakoji inchirimu naba nasa enete nti nipa no ebi baya they've abused the system. But you tell about Canada, a man be a one sorry, so on street mu, nebia migration for shield, and I simple enforcement to be, and I say be a to say SWAT for be, and I be a USDA be no, and Tessa I but so ba I was so abided by the rules and regulations. Anytime I was so member and woody and maranoso. I'm telling you, and yes, I'm running bedu. Now, so what ye and 70 years, or na chichi me ba, say me no cassay, nipper be or wha, sabi, sa and marana, your friend Bill C12. No, I do one. I nay, who case, young found called IRB, Immigration and Refugee Board, young refer case in Uncle Ho. A woman, I a letter. Say, ura, we are ineligible, to me insecure asylum or Canada. Why? Because it be a Uba 2020, somewhere June 24th or so. What in our system over a year and sign a seek asylum. Okay? And I say mpo free or cross over from US in a big room was stay for more than 2 weeks. Now, sir, chances now abeda hona ye come once a pre-removal risk assessment. A pre-removal risk assessment. And I feel humanitarian and compassionate. Timbacho munti ni ye pao. Sa enyemana ababede kwamuno. Bacho, sa we you be a oba Canada. That time of the year 2020, June, and I ought to move for over a year and sana usiki asylum, more or less a bit me account. Oh, yeah, be a victim. Into what do you have to do? To me, I would say mostly more common lawyers in China, more sign what we call retainer agreement. And this retainer agreement you are making, sometimes it entails a lot concerning time I'll be to me lawyer next year. Atina siya kasa time I'll be to me a friend ne nasifo. Ebi muso kofa legal aid lawyers. Ebi muso normal, commercial lawyers here. Ebi mpacho pi sorry waka. And you're funny. And kofia anankotie ensema obi eka obabi nkokase ebia because of this bill C12 na ba ye na ene kamia koye se ye ma bi mo letters se omo ye ineligible so omutimi siki asylum no ye wa another way ntino what na se wadwudwu abodwum no bra me say enye funny wake up go direct to your lawyer and then internase even so obesan ya jo yes what they saying one fee kura na dua consultation fee kura ne nkotena se ne busa na opani me pa cho pi me ba ye no wo na ade me fa mu ne mum me hwe na me tie ensema ekonem from sorry ne man ensema nam from na fe this bill C12 no me hwe ma be victim enti ye wo kwan bi a ye wo se fa so ana na wo busa are very important de bia to anamo ko ni muntem ansa na asem na yeden aba because what I know is say this country movement yede deportation order na beto so ene sa la lie no ineligible ne na sefo no ema when sem no say be take be 3-4 years be timi take over be 6-7-8 years okay And whatever it is, go direct to your lawyer, your regulated immigration lawyer, and as a consultant, and then say, and I pick your phone, call him, or say, and come over, and kind of phone so, and then say, no one how serious you are, say, dear Martini, and what's I'm to say. And my lawyer being fat who been torso. Okay, but I'm here to let you know, say, I didn't know, and yes, soft said, what you are walking. But as far as I will could do, I'm say, will be to meet you to work to Bonipa, will be to seek a Winipa Kuno or Kofa lawyer. How much more war or pass it now? And one so be stay away from trouble. No drinking and driving, no driver without driver's licenses, and a debut. And you might be very or any quans or do a day. A call for it. Moni and your day. And now, Milo TV people, Toronto, Canada. Subscribe to no first time. We are no one like it. Now comment it. Nafi wash your body beam, body boom. Bari bem iye enti me no ka sei abranti bi kotwi ka ene okunya nkwanhia ene omo baaye enti omo baaye omo puli ye no on se accident ba e wo se police ba mubu ha so de car bonnet to kra na nye too serious bi a otimi forget it so wo de nya we ko na my exchange phone numbers no offer check ya bobu on so be free police ba on be jo ID enti omo ji boy ne ID ene omo hu se wo sana ya issue letter Amanda da. Ya issue letter Amanda da. On say some issue this ineligible. Tio. Obi kra free Ghana be do Canada. Obi do Canada no ono ni portal no kra nkuta no. Wonim de ekoso. Enti ne visa no kra se revoke a onim se revoke ne visa. No ne nam system no mu. Na o ye adwuma, na o kọ no oba, e bia otwi Uber, e bia otwi Lyft. I'm not here to blame Obi Uber and also Obi Lyft, but I'm just trying to lay some emphasis for you to understand, for you to know what is going on in the system. Intimacy and yet funny. Sorry, waka. So Uba ye no school na no one nam so winya visa e ba ye. Uba one ye day one go school no. Afei hours a wasa wo ye adwuma no. Eno so one ye day. O ye more than that. Nti eno na kofa asemaba ai nei why login details no kura nkutaw nti yesende obibi a wunhu obu okura na woni nipa no kotena ase wo Ghana equal agreement so me ba me be ye adwuma tuaka obedu ya na osesa number bia na ono so ye twa na letter ne bi nti apamocho guys boy omachi no say what the deportation me no kase na course aye nya o phone so dakro no masa. Because of this phone, this YouTube channel, many course bebre. Obi to me friend cinema, me detention cinema. Ya de me call cinema say we be free. But guys, me pa chow. To me ready boy nyumbi wasi susubribi ansa na daponi ne du. Ema odi enkodu obi die. So all drive na nkwanhia ba. Odi o ye good driver, but obi bitimi dia be bo. Na kofa asema ba. Enti mumma moni ena ho na mo nsori waka na mo ntoto mo niema yi obi nso beka se me ko Ghana na ye de normal wo no obetimi akọ anya wo kra video na meye ba de opeso otena krodua mu de all pass etena wo no na sem na meka de o waso no ontie de o wani onhwe medin the prince Kojo Tewia medin nyame jam makram.